On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are back with the Golf 5. I received all the parts. Let's start taking the old ones out and let's fix it. Since the last episode I didn't replace anything. We have the old cat in here, everything plugged. We've test drove the car and we noticed that after I clean a little bit the car was driving normal, almost normal. I received a new O2 sensor. We have a new one for the secondary O2 sensor. We have new plugs in case the plug is different. This is a Bosch unit. Maybe you want to see the part number right up in there. In order to remove the cat, we will have 4 nuts on top, but I'm going to show you that. We are going to remove the plug for the O2 sensor. Okay, we are going to take this plastic out from the bracket, and after that we are going to untie the O2 sensor, just because we don't want the cable to come in our way. I'm going to do that. We are going to have the Met M. These are the Volkswagen Group specific bolts. These are M12 or M14, but I'm going to put on the screen the correct size. You will have 2, one in here, one in here. After that we will have 2 H6 hex bits, 6 in here that holds the bracket onto the engine block. We have to go in the back, and here in the back we have 2 13mm nuts between the exhaust and the cat. Okay, we have 2 13mm bolts here where this bracket holds the exhaust. Okay, and when we are ready, we have to take this bracket out from these metal things, because you cannot pull this out through here otherwise. On top of the engine we have 4 16mm nuts. And just like that, it's out. We have the cat in here. See that? Completely blocked. It's just a tiny cat, but if this one is blocked, you cannot drive the car. Now we are we're going to replace this, but first let's remove this tensioner pulley and the belt, because I'm not sure if you can see in here, the belt is already broken. I'm going to show you when I take this out. And in order to take this one out, you have to untension the pulley, and I'm going to show you how. From under the car, in my opinion, it's way better because you have more space as from the top. You will need a ratchet and a 16mm socket. 16, and you have to tight, just like you tight the bolt, and it's going to lose tension. I'm going to try to show you here on the belt. See that, how it's going to be loose? Take the belt out, and after that undo the bolt like normal, and you are set. And that's why I removed the belt. This one is shut. And in order to take the tensioner out, you will have a 13mm bolt, which is located in the back. I'm trying to show you somewhere in there. Yep, right up in there. It's bad. Now we are going to replace the belt, the pulley, the cat, and now I just want to take a look here under this cover to see how the timing belt looks like. and in order to do that you just have to undo some metal clamps in here and in here, and you can take the first cover out. Now we can see the timing belt and everything, the cam sprockets and everything, but everything in here seems to be fine. The belt is not cracked, it doesn't have strange wear marks or stuff like that. We can see even the company that was written on the belt, so that means it's not that old. I don't have any kind of papers how old this is, but it's in good shape. For now it's going to remain like this, and let's hope this one in here is just dust, not metal shavings. Yep, just dust. Okay, so we are good in here. Now let's put everything new and let's put everything back. This is the new O2 sensor. I've already put all the plastics, but I hope I can show you that the plug is new. There's no cut in the line, nothing. Yep, see that? Perfect. Now we are going to install the cat, the belt, the pulley, and we are done. This is the new cat. This is an aftermarket one, and you may find a few differences, but it's not a big deal. The most important part is that it has the same shape. We have even the plate new that holds the cat onto the car, and in here we have the new belt and the new tensioner. You can see in here we have the Continental set, and this is a quality set. This one as well. Let's install it. Everything is put back together, new gaskets, new hardware everywhere. And before I put something else like this shield cover and the other stuff, we are going to start the car to see if it's working, and after that we can put everything. I just want to start the car to see if it's going to throw an error code or stuff like that, or it's tight enough, and I'm going to leave the car running just for a few seconds because I have to work in here and I don't want to burn my hands. So let's see. Let's see. Hoo-hoo, nice. No more grinding noise. We have a grinding noise from that pulley. No check engine light. We have to reset some service interval in there. Let's see. Finally, no more strange noises, except for the cam. It's making a little bit of knocking sound, but not a problem. Oh my god, it's a different car for now. Different car now. Okay, let's give it some gas to see if the exhaust is leaking, and if not, we're going to install the heat shield and let's test drive the car. It's done, it's complete. I put all the heat shield. We have the new cat in there, we have the O2 sensor, the new one in the back. All the hardware gaskets are new. We have the new tensioner pulley, we have new belt. Let me change my clothes and we are going to drive the car for the first time. And we are on the road with the car, everything is put back together. We are on the third gear. Let's see. Full gas. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Yes, sir, nice. So I have a car in front of me, I have to brake, but it's working perfect. I'm in fourth gear, and if I accelerate, as you can see how the speed climbs. Why the hell is this person braking in front of me? Let's see once again. Second gear, nice. Third gear, yes. Fourth and 100. Fifth. Okay, perfect. It's fixed. And just like that, we are at the end of the video. The car is running, is driving. We've replaced all the bad parts. We test drove the car and it's running perfect, I might say. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.